Okay, so today I'm going to talk to you about exporting a table with data. Okay, so from Makyo. So if you do, if you are on the table already, let's say I have a table with 1671 rows. So it's a lot of rows, and I'm going to go and I'm going to export it as CSV. Okay, export as CSV. All right, let's open it. Let's see how many rows. 1672, because the first one is for header, so the export is working good. However, I will warn you that that if you have lots and lots and lots of data, I'm talking 20,000, 40,000 rows, you might want to let the table kind of first load before you export it. Otherwise, you will not get all the data. So that's the first thing about exporting. It works fine. You can also export all the tables as Excel. Okay, this will export every table here in the database, and then you'll get an Excel file. This one, export table metadata and database metadata, you don't need to worry about that. This is for internal use. For now, you don't need it. Okay. Now, this is the important thing, and I think I talked about it on another video. Append data. This is how you can add data to what you already have. If you don't want to delete the data, or if you don't want to use this one, to basically every time you import data from here, it will create a new table. But if you don't want to do that, then what you do is you use the append data. So it's basically the same feature, only this time it will map out to an existing table and it will add it on top of it. So what is it good for? It's good if you already have data and you don't want to delete it and start all over. It's good if you have functions and calculations like I do here. I don't want to have to do all the calculations again. Then all I do is append the data, and that's it. Now, if you have data already, but now you want to get rid of the data, but keep the columns and keep the calculations, so then you do clear rows. And then it will clear all the rows, and then you can choose append data to basically add data to existing columns with all the calculations and stuff like that. I hope this clears it up. Thank you.